Hey guys, I told you I will be posting soon. I had told you guys. And yes, this is a modded account, guys. This is a modded account. As you can see, all my outfits. And yes, I am on PS3 and PS4. So yeah, you guys, make sure y'all check me out. So hey guys, yeah guys, I will be posting videos. This is our first video that I'll post for you guys. Yeah. And look like somebody coming my way. Hurry up.
I'll get there as soon as I can.
There we go. I don't have to kill him. And guys, if you guys think I'm a bully, I'm really not. If you're my fan, the best way to approach me is send me a message. That is the only time you are going to you're going to approach me like that. Anytime you approach me, send me a message saying you cool. That's what I'm basically saying. And yeah, but if you come up to me like that guy did, you get a shoot. So yeah, y'all, you guys, please leave a like on my video, please. And then if you leave a like on my video, please tell your friends about me, because most of you guys don't know me and nobody know me because I just started YouTube and all that. So I was like, my first 2 videos, you guys, I did no likes, only got 3-4 views. But yeah, guys, I'm just telling you this now. This is one of my videos. Peace. Wait. See?